Hello everybody, so today I am going to be teaching you guys how to pretend to be new in Gorilla Tag. Or well, like you're going to be able to fall from tutorial and have no cosmetics at all, and it's gonna look like you literally just played the game. So first of all, you want to make sure your queue is in default. Now read the code. So make sure your queue is in default. Now, make sure your name is Gorilla, and then you need 4 digits at the end. Any 4 digits, it doesn't matter. So, then set it as your name. Now, once you've done that, set a random color code, because I'm pretty sure there's a list of color codes you could get whenever you first fall down, but don't think it really matters. Now, take off all of your cosmetics and set your game mode to Guardian. Then join a random, or well, just join a private lobby with nobody else except for you. Okay. Now, once you've joined, as you can see, it's Guardian. Set it to infection. Then become big. So, big. Then what you want to do, so you'd want to jump up the tutorial using this tree right here. Then once you've jumped up, press to ungrow. I'm pretty sure it's what it said, or shrink, I don't know. Then open your Oculus menu and turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it back on again. Now connect it to your oh, I misclicked. Now reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Now, once you've reconnected, just walk right here. I'm pretty sure this is where you have to walk for it to. Oh, and yeah, as you can see, it worked. So that's how you do it.